easy. A pepper? Who put a pepper in my popsicle? Why did you put a pepper in my popsicle?
What? I didn't.
Then explain this.
I'm cooking. Those are for dinner.
Then who did it? I put the pepper in Rumi's popsicle. Don't like or subscribe to this video, or Rumi will see it and know I did it.